The Myers-Manx 2.0 is a modern electric revival of the legendary Dune Buggy, combining retro style with high-tech performance. Powered by dual rear-mounted electric motors producing 202 horsepower and 240 lb-ft of torque, it accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. Available with 20 or 40 kilowatt-hour battery packs, it offers up to 300 miles of range. Its lightweight aluminum monocoque chassis, independent suspension, regenerative braking, and open-air design deliver agile, exhilarating off-road driving. Weighing just 1,500 to 1,650 pounds, the Manx 2.0 is a nimble and iconic electric adventurer. The 2025 Can-Am Maverick R is a high-performance powerhouse built for sand enthusiasts and off-road thrill-seekers. It features a 240 horsepower Rotax 999T turbocharged 3-cylinder engine paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission with high and low ranges, delivering outstanding power and control. With a 77-inch width, 4-link suspension with forged aluminum upper arms, and Fox 2.5 podium piggyback QS3 adjustable shocks, it ensures a smooth ride over rough terrain. It rides on 30-inch ITP Tenacity XNR tires mounted on 15-inch aluminum beadlock wheels, providing excellent traction. With 17 inches of ground clearance and a dry weight of about 2,150 pounds, it's built for agility and durability. Standard features include a 4.5-inch digital display, smart lock front differential, premium LED headlights, and a 13.2-gallon fuel tank. Starting at $35,500, the Maverick R offers a complete, thrilling off-road package.
The Polaris 2025 RZR Pro R is a powerhouse dune buggy engineered for ultimate off-road adventures. Priced competitively at $35,000. Powered by the ProStar Fury 2.0 engine, delivering 225 horsepower, it offers relentless performance across the most demanding terrains. With 4-wheel drive, selectable traction modes, and pro-performance engineering, it ensures exceptional adaptability and control. The MaxLink suspension provides an impressive 29 inches of usable travel, paired with 32-inch Maxxis tires for superior stability and shock absorption. The BMW Dune Taxi is an all-electric desert racer designed for extreme terrains, combining cutting-edge technology with sustainable innovation. Powered by a 400 kilowatts motor generating 536 horsepower, and an impressive 1,000 Newton-meters, 737 lb-ft, of torque, it delivers exceptional performance. Its body, crafted from eco-friendly natural fiber-reinforced polymer, offers superior vibration damping and durability, while the 400mm suspension travel and robust shocks ensure remarkable stability and agility across dunes. Featuring dynamic braking and precision handling, the Dune Taxi showcases BMW's commitment to high-performance engineering and sustainable materials, pointing to a greener future for motorsport.
The Tatum LS7 twin-turbo is an extreme sand rail built for performance at the highest level. Powered by a twin-turbocharged LS7 V8, capable of producing over 1,300 horsepower and well over 1,000 ft-lb torque to the ground on 20 psi boost, it delivers raw, race-ready power. Housed in a chromoly tube chassis with Albin's sequential transmission and long travel suspension with King bypass shocks, it offers precise durability and control across demanding sand terrain. Built by Tatum Motorsports, it's calibrated for elite desert and dune driving with premium components and race-grade build quality.
The 2025 Polaris RZR Pro R is engineered for off-road enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance and advanced technology. At its core is a 2.0L ProStar Fury inline-4 engine, delivering an impressive 225 horsepower, ensuring rapid acceleration and robust power across challenging terrains. The vehicle's 74-inch width and 104.5-inch wheelbase provide stability, while the 16-inch ground clearance allows it to navigate over obstacles with ease. Equipped with Walker-Evans Velocity shocks, offering up to 29 inches of usable travel, the RZR Pro R ensures a smooth ride even on the roughest trails. Inside, the cabin features bolstered bucket seats with four-way adjustability and a 4-inch LCD display, enhancing driver comfort and control. With a payload capacity of 740 pounds and a 12-gallon fuel tank, it's built for extended adventures without compromising on performance.
The Joyner Sandviper 1,100 cubic centimeters is a rugged, high-performance dune buggy built for extreme sand adventures. Driven by a liquid-cooled 1,083 cubic centimeters inline four-cylinder EFI engine producing around 85 to 90 horsepower, 50 kilowatts, and 90 newton-meters of torque, it reaches top speeds of 70 to 80 miles per hour, 110 to 130 kilometers per hour. It features a 4-speed manual transmission with reverse, independent front and rear suspension with long-travel gas shocks, about 12 to 16 inches, and hydraulic disc brakes on all 4 wheels for solid stopping power. With approximately 15 inches of ground clearance and weighing around 1,300 pounds, is almost equal to 590 kilograms, dry, it balances maneuverability and stability on rough terrain. Compact yet capable, the Sandviper delivers a thrilling ride at a value price. The BMS Sand Sniper 200 EFI is a compact and beginner-friendly dune buggy powered by a 200 cubic centimeters EFI engine producing around 9.8 horsepower. It features a fully automatic CVT transmission with reverse, hydraulic disc brakes, and a sturdy steel frame. Designed for younger riders, it includes safety features like 3-point seatbelts, a full windshield, and LED lights. With independent suspension, all-terrain tires, and a lightweight design, the Sand Sniper offers a fun and stable off-road experience for 2 passengers. The Drakkart Scorpion X2 is a high-performance 2-seat off-road buggy powered by a Suzuki Hayabusa engine, delivering up to 212 horsepower. Built on a strong chromoly tube chassis, it uses a chain-and-gear drivetrain for added durability. With up to 21 inches of front and 19 inches of rear suspension travel, along with Elka or King shocks and Wilwood hydraulic brakes, it offers exceptional handling and control in rugged terrain. Designed for serious dune and desert enthusiasts, the Scorpion X2 delivers speed, strength, and precision. The Volkswagen ID. Buggy is a retro-styled electric dune buggy concept built on VW's flexible MEB platform. Featuring a 62 kilowatt-hour battery powering a rear-mounted electric motor producing around 201 horsepower and 228 lb-ft of torque, it achieves 0 to 62 miles per hour in about 7.2 seconds with a 155-mile range. With no roof or doors, a weatherproof 2-seat interior, and off-road-focused features like aluminum underbody guards and tow hooks, the ID. Buggy delivers open-air fun powered by sustainable technology. Sources: Ask ChatGPT. The Buckshot Racing X5R is an extreme custom-built sandrail renowned for its raw power and track-focused engineering. Built on a 1.75-inch chromoly chassis, the X5R offers engine options ranging from 510 horsepower (LS2) to 750 horsepower (LS7), with optional turbo upgrades pushing output up toward 1,200 horsepower. Equipped with long travel suspension, approximately 28 front and 25 rear, supported by King bypass shocks, massive beadlock wheels with 36 to 38 tires, dual or triple disc brakes, and a PBS or Albans transmission, it's designed for blistering speed over dunes. Pricing begins around $130,000. As one Reddit user noted, it's a beast among sand rails, featuring Corvette-style interiors, Lamborghini-style doors, and performance well beyond typical buggies. The Skyrunner 3.2 Malawian Quachas is a groundbreaking flying buggy that seamlessly transitions between rugged off-road driving and light sport aviation. On the ground, it's powered by a Polaris ProStar 1000 engine and reaches speeds up to 70 miles per hour. In the air, a rear-mounted Rotax aircraft engine paired with a Ram Air parafoil lets it cruise at around 45 to 55 miles per hour, and it can climb to 10,000 feet with short takeoff and landing capability. Built with a hybrid frame of heat-treated chromoly steel and carbon fiber composites over inverted double wishbone suspension, the 3.2 Malawian Quachas offers a durable yet responsive ride in both air and terrain. Often dubbed the world's ultimate adventure vehicle, it's FAA certified as a special light sport aircraft and priced around $119,000, with a sport pilot license required to fly. The Tatum LS7 twin-turbo is an extreme sand rail built for performance at the highest level. Powered by a twin-turbocharged LS7 V8, capable of producing over 1,300 horsepower and well over 1,000 FTLB torque to the ground on 20 psi boost, it delivers raw, race-ready power. Housed in a chromoly tube chassis with Albans sequential transmission and long travel suspension with King bypass shocks, it offers precise durability and control across demanding sand terrain. Built by Tatum Motorsports, it's calibrated for elite desert and dune driving with premium components and race-grade build quality. The Arctic Cat Wildcat XX is a powerful sport UTV equipped with a 998 cubic centimeters triple-cylinder engine producing around 130 horsepower. It features 18 inches of suspension travel with Fox 2.5 Podium QS3 shocks, 15 inches of ground clearance, and 30-inch CST tires for excellent off-road handling. With selectable 2WD/4WD, a durable chassis, and toolless service access, the Wildcat XX is built for rugged performance and customization.